Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. I'm back up in Otama Bay and we have another beautiful Kitset boathouse shed under construction for you. It's very cool. The one I originally designed and sold 5 years ago is just up the road from us. This one, Veronica's helped the clients out and they've done a great job. 6.2 meters wide, 5.5 meters to the knee and 16 meters long. I'm loving it. Color steel and the Pioneer Red looks really cool. We've got the Marley downpipes, we've got the city glass windows in the black. It's looking really cool. What they've done is they've gone for the old school corrugate cladding, so it's really given it the boat shed look. Where I'm standing now, there's actually going to be a veranda come out 3 meters into here, still under construction. The boys are working hard, so that's going to give this beautiful area where you're just baked in the sun to be able to enjoy it. It's great. You've got everything in here. The vermin flashing, obviously, standard on all of our sheds. Inside the shed, massive roller door at 4.2 meters high, 4 meters wide, so they're going to be able to get the boat in there. So we've got the portal frame in the garage section here. So Metalcraft, all New Zealand steel. And then here, most of it's now hidden behind all the jib, is Axxis New Zealand steel framing as well. So that's great. We've been able to frame that up, or they've framed that up, and then attach it straight to it. You can see that in the blue there. When you see the blue, you know you're dealing with New Zealand made Axxis steel framing. That back end, it's its own thermal shell for the house, so that habitable section, all designed to the latest H3 regulations. So super warm, super cool, double glazed joinery in here, and you can see that they're insulating all around in here. Inside here, we've got all the jib Aqualine on the wall, so you can come on and you can see how that just screws into here, so just straight into the steel, no issue. So it's just jibbed like any normal timber frame. Got a bedroom downstairs, kitchen, bathroom areas. It's going to be great. Obviously windows in there for the ventilation, and then obscure as well. Another great window in here, standard on all the windows we do, whether they're in a shed or not. Little breathers on here so they can open up and you can just hook them in like that. Just one of those little touches we just think always makes it better. Inbuilt window in here as well, in wardrobe, sorry. And so there you go. So that's where you've got that steel stud framing. Yeah, they've done a really great job in here. Credit to the builders. So one of the little notes that I like in the design here is a sliding window. So what they're going to be able to do, slide this window open. You're going to have the kitchen bench here, so you're going to be able to pass food off and on to the deck in there. Swing us another beer. Cheers. Cool, so we're upstairs. So it's very cool in here, designed with a raking ceiling in here. So that's one of the cool things. You can work in with the salesman, whether it's Veronica, Glenn, Thomas, is you can design what you like, whether it's flat ceilings, raking ceilings, we can do it all with steel stud framing. Got all the pre-hung doors in here. These work great with steel. So they're designed, they can just go in there and be screwed straight in place. Designed for the view here. Obviously, it'd have to be another triple story to get up over the sand dunes, but it's just looking beautiful out there. So, end of winter, beautiful outlook, just a little bit chilly at the moment. The bedroom here, just simple. On the floor, got the chipboard on there. That just gets screwed to the steel stud framing as well. So that's it. There's nothing different from using the steel stud framing to the timber framing. Just goes together all straight. This was getting built in the middle of winter and there's no delays for waiting for everything to dry. So really cool to see here, and it'll be great to come back and see it once it's all done. So excellent work. once again, Kitset. So we're on site here, give them a bit of a hand on what's going on, but they've done a great job. So the clients approached us and with their own builder, and then we've been able to help them out. And so it's cool to see these boat houses coming together. Any questions, just let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
Thank you all for watching this video. Without you, the viewers, this channel wouldn't be available. So again, thank you very much. I must give a big shout out to everybody here in the office. They do a lot of work behind the scenes. So thank you guys. Also, we need to thank our suppliers, New Zealand Steel, Colorsteel, Connect Fastenings, Fisher Windows. We also have to thank all our subbies and our builders. You guys know who you are and you do an amazing job. So thank you. If you like what you've seen today, by all means, watch some more videos that we've got on YouTube. There's always some really cool content on there. Put a comment in below. We answer all those questions that come through. We are also on all the other social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, I think as well. There may be a few others there. We are also all available in the office. There's myself, Glenn, and Thomas available to chat to at any time. So you're more than welcome to give us a ring, send us an email, or even just pop into the office. We've got an amazing coffee machine here. We'd love to make you a coffee and have a chat. Otherwise, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.